If you struggle with low energy at night, this simple drink can change everything. Just a few natural ingredients, and you'll feel stronger, more energized and refreshed. Here's what you'll need. 1 spoon of coffee, half a lemon, a spoon of honey, 1 cup of hot water. Why these ingredients? Coffee. Coffee isn't just for waking up in the morning. It contains natural caffeine that helps improve blood circulation and keeps you active. It also enhances stamina and reduces fatigue, making it perfect for nighttime energy. Lemon. Lemon is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. It helps cleanse your system, improves digestion, and even boosts nitric oxide levels, which are important for blood flow and endurance. Honey. Honey is a natural energy booster. Unlike sugar, it provides sustained energy without crashes. It also improves metabolism, supports overall stamina, and has relaxing properties that help balance the stimulating effects of coffee. Now, let's make the drink. Start by adding a spoonful of coffee to a cup. Squeeze in half a lemon for a refreshing boost. Now, add a spoonful of honey to balance the taste and provide natural energy. Pour in a cup of hot water and mix it well. Your powerful nighttime drink is ready. How to use it? Drink this 30 minutes before bed and you'll feel an instant difference. It helps improve stamina, keeps you energized, and gives you lasting strength throughout the night. For the best results, drink this consistently for 2-3 weeks. Try it tonight and let us know how you feel.